I'm standing in front of the Vacationette. We are at the Enchanted Trails RV Park in New Mexico. This is Vickie Ashcraft's vintage RV, and I have the keys, and we're about to go inside. We're here in Albuquerque, New Mexico at Enchanted Trails RV Park and Trading Post. Last October, we sold our house and all our stuff, bought campers, and started traveling the country in search of adventures. One reason we chose to stay here is because of the vintage campers. I asked the owner if we could take a peek inside them, and she handed me the keys. That is, if I can open the door. I don't want to break it. This is a vintage camper, but for some reason the keys are not working.
So...
Oh, there's a wooden door here. How cool is that? That is amazing.
Well, it's all wood inside.
These have all been redone in the period from which they were made, which is incredible. I love this. It's much smaller than our camper, but it's adorable. So she lived and traveled in this camper. Can I stay here forever? You know how much I love this period. I don't know if it goes with my coat.
Yeah. Geneva. Okay, let's go. It has a regular doorknob. It's not even like a car door, it's a doorknob. Oh wow. If you like the last one, you're gonna like this one. Look at these chairs. These are like chairs in my grandma's house. Oh, look at this refrigerator. It's the Kelvinator. The Kelvinator. I am the Kelvinator.
I love.
I'm looking for Sarah Connor.
Maybe she's inside. I love.
Let's hope not.
I love that.
Okay.
I've always wanted a refrigerator like this.
Wow. Probably not very energy efficient.
True. Love the stove.
Look at the salt and pepper shakers on the stove.
I feel like a kid in a candy store. You know me and vintage.
I do. I do know you and vintage. All right, you going in the
Winnebago.
1963 Winnebago?
1963, so year before I was born. Dun, 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 dun.
Another doorknob.
Another doorknob. This one seems to open a little easier. Wow. Talk about compact, but adorable. This, I don't know if it's real copper, but it has a real vintage look.
I would say so, considering it's tarnished.
Adds a lot of character.
Look at that little sink. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Lasso.
Reminds me of my grandfather's lasso and horses.
Is that Roy Rogers
Yes.
and Dale Evans?
I think so.
Yeah. The original Happy Trails.
One of the things Vickie shared with me about the campers and the early history of her ownership in the RV park was that people used to stay in these campers when she first started collecting them. Check out this fridge. If it opens, does it open? Ooh, I don't want to force it, but it looks like a big ice box.
It might be a little sticky, but I bet it'll open.
Ooh, there it goes.
Oh my god. It's like the one big tray.
It
Like
looks
that was
like a cooler.
It does. Check out the bathroom. Wow. Not a lot of room in here. So this doesn't have a doorknob. That was easy. Oh my god.
Is this big?
It's huge. Look at this.
Oh, wow. You're way over there.
What? So I have a question.
For me?
In general, I'm just throwing it out there. Now this has like regular household furniture, Did this stuff all move around when they traveled from one place to the next?
I have the same question. We'll have to check with Vickie.
Like that TV.
Right.
Look at that TV.
That is an awesome TV. That is a beautiful, beautiful vintage stove.
Now, check out this old vacuum. This is probably a vacuum that people bought from a vacuum salesperson. Look at this tub. It's pink and it's huge.
Oh, wow.
It's a medicine cabinet. Wow. Moving on to the bedroom. Wow. It has its own door.
Okay, that was a treat. Now we're on to another one. I'm heading in a 1974 Silver Streak called Della. Let's go. Which one's the lock?
I don't know.
It's this one.
No, you gotta do the other handle.
Oh, then it's this one. Oh, there we go. It's open. It's got a 70s vibe. Check out this couch.
Shag rug, that's totally 70. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at the ceiling.
Wow, it's sparkly.
It's
It
sparkly.
has glitter on the ceiling.
It has glitter. How 70s is that? It's a wonder it doesn't have a disco ball. The
It's
magic chef.
70s fruit.
Fake fruit from the 70s.
This is definitely 70s. Look at this.
Oh, that wood paneling. Oh my God.
And
it reminds
the
me of my house growing up.
The introduction to the sink cover.
Yeah.
We have one of these on our camper.
Not made of wood though.
No.
Look at this.
Storage bin.
Twin beds.
Oh, no sleeping together in this camper.
Yeah. They have headboards. It's so
They
weird.
do. I mean, they feel comfortable. They're comfortable, but
And look at this bathroom.
the bathroom's like
It's a third of the
huge.
camper.
I know. Counter space in the bathroom.
Yeah. What's that like? All right, so we are off to check out a vintage Airstream. Now, I love Airstreams. I love these things. Hey, if you like what we're doing, do us a favor, hit subscribe, hit like, watch a couple more videos, and if you want to get notified whenever we post a new video, hit that little notification bell. Another doorknob.
An old lock.
Wow.
Look, it has the hippie peace flowers.
Hippie peace flowers?
What year was this one?
It is 1969.
Okay, so I was right with the hippie peace flowers. This is amazing. Wow, what a use of space.
Check out these salt and pepper shakers.
Wow, that was modern for the 60s. What's in here? Ooh, look at those. Definitely late 60s era plastic.
Are they plastic?
Uh-huh.
Wow. On the other side here, let's see. What are those?
You put a paper plate on it.
Oh my God.
They're fish.
Ah,
How cool is that?
that is so cool.
Check out this light. I think we have one more stop.
Okay, let's go.
I don't think we have keys to this one. But
Well, I don't think it's going to be much of a tour anyway.
I think it's just a bed.
Well, can you imagine?
Oh, you can look inside. I thought that she said that this was her first one because she said she got tired of dressing on her bed.
Wow, that's small.
But I'll ask again. She may have had this one and then that one. Vickie did have this one first because she said it opened up like a hatch and that she got tired of changing on the bed. That was basically it. And I thought she had a little kitchenette.
All right, so which one was your favorite?
They were all awesome and I liked the vacationette.
Yeah, that one was really cool.